In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the desktop media width on your Shopify product page using the Dawn theme. We'll make a simple change that can help your product pages feel more balanced by giving either your images or your product details a bit more space. This is especially helpful if your photos are very tall, or if your descriptions and options are getting cramped on the right side. Start by opening your Shopify admin and head to Online Store, then Themes. This is where all your themes live. Find the Dawn theme you're working with and click Customize. That opens the theme editor where you can make visual changes without touching any code. At the top of the editor, there's a drop-down that lets you choose which type of page you want to preview and edit. Open that menu, select Products, and then choose Default Product. This ensures you're looking at a standard product page layout while you make the adjustment. You should now see a product with its gallery on the left and its details on the right. On the left-hand panel, look for the section labeled Product Information and click it. This section controls the content and layout of the right-hand side of your product page, like the title, price, variant options, and buttons. It also includes the setting we need for adjusting the proportion between the media area and the information area. Scroll within that panel until you find Desktop Media Width. This setting controls how much horizontal space your product images and gallery take up on desktop screens, relative to the product details. Select a smaller option like Small or Medium. Choosing Small gives your text and purchase options more room, which can improve readability and reduce scrolling if you have several variants, add-ons, or a longer description. Medium is a good middle ground if you want your images to remain prominent while still opening up a bit more space for the details. You'll see the preview update as you switch sizes, so take a moment to compare how the page feels with each option. Once you're happy with the balance, click Save in the top right corner. Saving commits your changes to the theme you're customizing, and your product pages will reflect the new desktop media width. Remember, this setting affects desktop layouts. Mobile uses its own layout rules, so what you're changing here is specifically for larger screens. And that's it. You've adjusted the desktop media width in the Dawn theme to create a cleaner, more readable product page that better fits your content and your images.